everyone, a very good evening. Today we are here with Dronacharya awardee Mr. Dr. Tapan Kumar Panigrahi, who is also the Secretary General of USFI. Sir, so we have a question to you.
Yeah.
Currently, what is the mission vision about this organization?
So this organization, actually this is a new version of competitive swimming. New version means normally what swimmers are swimming where hand paddle, snorkel and fins is not been used. But now we are using it. Scientific reason behind of this competitive swimming is that swimmers when they use for the regular trainings session that they use the fins, bifins. Sometimes they use the monofins and they use the snorkel also, and it is whole world is doing. So when it has been scientifically proved that neuromuscular coordination is developed better in an early age, and hydrodynamic body position also reduce the drag, which is our prime motto in swimming, to reduce the drag and neuromuscular coordination to be catch up to higher performance and to reach the next level. And this is the only way out, only the tool can be used by the regular swimmer. And there are people, those who cannot understand the science, those who don't want to follow the science, because of technology and science so much been improved. Whole world is mad behind this spin swimming, and our Indian swimmers are lagging behind. And at that point of time, I personally took this initiative to introduce this fin swimming so that our Indian swimmers also can be, in a good position in the world scenario. So that way we have started, 1 or 2 or 3 and 4, that number was at the beginning. Now it is a huge number. It's almost 32 states are involved into this and they are participating. At the beginning it was 400-500 only throughout the country are involved. This is the time. The last time I'll give the number, almost 1500 swimmers participated from all over the country, and 32 states took the initiative. Now we are governing more than 400 districts in the country, pan-India. So that means they are not a fool.
Of course.
They have taken into this, the science, physical education and sports science, been taken into this, and people are performing really good. And we are looking for the international platform where we'll enter into this. So we are waiting for that. Let our Indian swimmers, boys and girls, young kids, let them perform a little more better, so that once they reach to the international platform, they should not come back with the empty-handed. So since it is a new, let us have a little patience, little work, little more hard, with a very strategic way, so that the moment our children will go to the international platform, they'll come with a pride and our Indian flag to be fly high. We should not demotivate our swimmers. So we are spreading this because more number, mass is required to achieve the goal. So we are looking for the mass. Let everybody take up very seriously and show our talent. So Bengal has been started. Last week it was there in the UP. They have 1200 participants in the state championship. Now I have seen here nearly 500 participants are here in Bengal, and everybody is taking keen interest. But one more thing I'll tell you is when competitive swimming been started, those days the Bengal was a pioneer. National and international level, international structure, Bengal was the pioneer. So in the middle few years has gone, but let the pride come back. Let the Bengal also be again on the top. So the fin swimming is done on the medium to do it. And for us, for the children and for the organizer and for the coaches, this fin swimming is the another plus point or another tool can be used to see the swimmers are on top through this fin swimming.
And one more question, what will be your message to the upcoming generations and upcoming participants who are participating in this competition?
Definitely, because as I said, neuromuscular coordination. Neuromuscular coordination only can be developed when they are young. It cannot be developed after the 20, 25 or 30 years old. Usain Bolt was proof. He didn't come to this field and athletic fields anyhow. It was a pre-planned, strategic way that done, and this very early age, at the age of 6, 7, 8, 9 years. And now, world number one, create a world record. That is because of neuromuscular coordination. And the swimming also, this fin swimming, when you are using the fins, using the snorkel, and then what happened? Our muscle strength, muscular power been generated. Extra effort been taken. Now my question is means my solution this way is when fraction of second decide the position, gold, silver or bronze, or the swimmers is creating record. So fractions taken. So why not to use these fins and to generate that speed, that volume and velocity to win the medal. So this is the solution is fin swimming. It is readily available in our hand. So let us jump all together into this and achieve and bring the laurel of the Bengal laurel again on the top. And কথাটা এরকম কি ভারত আবার জগৎ সভায় শ্রেষ্ঠ আসন লাভে। আমি শুরু করতে চাচ্ছি বেঙ্গল আবার জগৎ সভায় শ্রেষ্ঠ আসন লাভে। Bengal has started the beginning. Let the Bengal come on the top first and let others follow.
Thank you so much, sir. It was very
Thank you very
pleasure to talk to you about it. And as I have said, it was great honor to talk to you, sir. And thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. Antara, so nice.